Hello. Today I went to the Apple store with my sister and I wasn't planning on buying anything. However, I bought quite a few things. The $580 case, because Australia is expensive. $2,000 something iPad Pro, $2,000 and something cents, and the Apple Pencil Pro. I barely use my current iPad, but I wasn't going to be using some lame one. Okay, apparently this one had an update. Okay, never mind about that. Okay, got the new M4 iPad Pro in 256 gigabytes and space black, or it's at least supposed to be space black. It looks so clean and nice right now, before it gets a bunch of fingerprints on it. Designed by Apple in California. Is there anything interesting in here? iPad Pro paperwork. Standard stuff. Okay, there's nothing interesting in there. And the charging brick and cable. It's a black one to match the space black. And a cheap charging brick. Okay, I hope it's long enough cable. Yeah, it's somewhat long. Would have preferred a black charging brick, but I guess this is fine. I better unbox the case. Not as satisfying as the plastic used to be, but I guess it's better for the environment. This case was over $5,000, so it better be pretty good. Feels somewhat heavy. The magnet's quite strong. I'll try putting it on. Space Black's quite a good color. Looks pretty similar to Space Gray though. Now it kind of looks like my 13-inch MacBook Pro, but I'll turn it on. Okay, it was taking a while, wasn't sure if it was charged yet. I guess while I wait for that, I'll unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. What looks like this right now. This was pretty easy to open. Apple Pencil Pro paperwork. And the Apple Pencil Pro itself. I never really used my old Apple Pencil much, but might as well have gotten another one, and it should just stick on. Okay. So the keyboard is lit up like actual MacBook. Now a bunch of boring setup stuff. Choose how you would like. Default's probably fine. And now my lame old iPad. It was all last generation.
Which app do you want to open?
Stop it, Siri. Setting up the iPad. Now I've got to scan something. Setup failed. Okay, I'll try again. Alright, I think it's working. Set up for me. Finish on the new iPad. Setting up iPad. It may take multiple minutes to set up iPad. Software update. Alright, fine. Enjoy your new iPad. Done. Agree. guess I'll watch a review on the iPad Pro while I wait for my update. I would screen record, but then you can't see how big the screen is. And it's very fast. I'll compare it to my laptop I haven't used in months. As you can see, it's all dusty. My iPad Pro is much more thin than the MacBook Pro. This has a bigger trackpad than this. Basically, the only thing I used my last iPad for was reading Twitch chat. And since this one's significantly more expensive, I'll hope I don't just do it for that. I thought I should at least do a camera test. Good enough. Okay. Now I must create the ultimate thumbnail. Good enough. Then insert a photo. That's not a PNG. Maybe this one will work better. This is going to be very great in clickbait. Good enough.